Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If your Black& Decker portable air conditioner is not working, it can be really frustrating, especially during hot weather when you need it the most. You might notice it won't turn on, isn't cooling properly, or keeps shutting off unexpectedly. Many users think the unit is faulty, but in most cases, the issue is something simple like power supply problems, clogged filters, or incorrect settings. Since these units have built-in safety features, even a small issue can stop them from running. The good part is that with a few quick checks, you can fix most common problems and get your AC working again without needing professional help. Try these. Step 1. Check the power supply and plug connection. Step 2. Reset the unit by turning it off and unplugging for a few minutes. Step 3. Clean the air filter and vents to remove dust buildup. Step 4. Set the correct cooling mode and temperature settings. Step 5. Check and empty the water tank if full. Step 6. Restart the unit and test cooling performance.